Connecting Knowify to Slack can help your team be notified whenever a new invoice is sent to a customer. To start, we'll go to our Zapier account and click Make a New Zap. We'll choose Knowify as our trigger, and we'll choose the option for New Invoice. Once this is selected, it'll prompt us to choose a Knowify account that we're connected to, and then it'll pull in sample data. We'll check on this first sample to make sure that all of the data is in the system, and click Continue. Next, we'll set up the action. This is where we'll choose our Slack account. For this example, we're going to send a channel message. This way, we could send a notification to the whole team as opposed to just one person in the company. Then, when we're setting up the template, we'll choose the channel that we want this message to be sent to, and then we'll build the template for the message that's going to be sent into the channel. We can include data from Knowify, such as the project name. We can also put in the invoice number. I'll also include the total value of this invoice. You'll see that the data in Knowify comes without a dollar figure, so if you'd like to add that in, you can manually write it in as well. And I'm also going to include a link to the data in our Knowify account. This way, whoever receives the message could just click on the link and automatically open up Knowify to the relevant page. Every other field here in Zapier is optional, but you can name your bot that sends the messages or add images if necessary. And when we finalize this, it'll create a test. You'll see this just sent me a new Slack notification that uses the template that we put together, and I can click this link and it automatically opens up my Knowify account to the invoice that was created. Now that we've confirmed that the Zap is working, we'll give it a name and then turn it on and run one more test in the account. I'll go back to my Knowify account, create a new invoice. Then once the invoice is finalized, I'll go back to my Zapier account and manually trigger this Zap. Standard Zapier accounts can run once every 15 minutes, but if you need to speed up the process, this Run button will automatically look for new invoices, and you'll see we just got another message in the channel. If you have further questions on how to set these up, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@knowify.com.